Hi, I'm Ralph Ronzio, the Technical Director for the Digital Experience team here at Pure Storage. Welcome to episode 5 of the YouTube series, Digital Bytes. In today's episode, we're gonna have demo day. So we're gonna take a look at the workload planner functionality of Pure One. Now, what's really cool about Workload Planner is it leverages Pure One Meta. So Pure One Meta is that digital assistant we talked about in prior episodes. So it's always gathering statistics and analytics about your environment so you can do things like capacity planning, performance planning, and even predicting how new applications that you bring online are going to affect the overall environment. Let's check it out. Accessing the workload planner couldn't be more simple. You go to Analytics and you click on Planning. The workload planner will pop up in the right-hand window, as will your entire fleet of Pure Storage arrays. So you click on the array, and then you'll see these 4 buttons on top. These are to run different simulations. We're going to start with Simulate Workload. So this is simulating a currently running workload on our system. What I'm going to do is I want to scale this application. I know this application is going to scale by about 5x this year. It's going to be an extremely busy application, and I want to make sure that the current running system can accommodate it. So I'm going to scale it by 5x and hit Apply. Now it's going to show me the before and after from both a performance standpoint and a capacity standpoint. So if we look at performance first of all, it's saying that with this projected 5x growth, I'm going to be at 85% load. So it also indicates that here in this graph. From a capacity standpoint, I'm going to go from 26% capacity to 212%. So while the projected load doesn't seem so bad, the capacity is definitely too high. So what I want to do now is model a hardware upgrade to see what I might be able to do to get this in a better situation, because I know I have to scale this application this year. So I'm going to click Save and Exit, and I'm going to go to Simulate Hardware. Now the great thing is these tools all work together. So it already has the simulated change from your other 5x growth factor already in here. And as a matter of fact, Meta is already hard at work because it's already recommending an upgrade for you. So pay attention to this graph, the before and after graph, because it's going to shrink quite a bit when I simulate the upgrade to an X70R3. So you'll see now I'm in a much better situation when it comes to load. So I feel like this is an upgrade I'm probably going to have to do if I plan on really upgrading this application. The next thing is capacity. Now I'm way over on capacity. I was at 26%, and with this 5x scalability, I'm at 212%. The great thing is Meta is already hard at work again, and it has this show recommendation button. So if I click this, you're going to see my capacity drop to a much more acceptable range. So it's telling me exactly what I need to add from an additional capacity standpoint and where I need to upgrade. This is really powerful stuff. So I'm going to save this and exit because there's one more scenario I need to run. I know that we have an SAP deployment that we're planning on bringing online this year. So I'm going to simulate new workload. I'm going to click on Add New Workload. And we happen to have workload types already predefined, and SAP is one of them. If you find that one of your workloads is not in here, you can use the custom option. I'm going to click on SAP, and I'm going to say this is a small deployment of SAP. Now, if you want, you can fine tune some of these parameters, but I feel comfortable that this is about right. I'm going to click Save, and then I'm going to click Select Target System. I'm going to use the same system that I did that 5x scale on. Click Next. Now it shows you the before and after of not only the 5x scaled application, but the new SAP application. And it looks like I'm in good shape. I'm at 63% load, and my capacity is at 60%. So this is just some of the power of Meta. This is allowing you to plan for the future. This is very, very powerful stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed this short demo. Okay. The workload planner, it is like magic. I can't even believe how cool that is. I wish when I was a storage administrator back in the day that tool existed. That would have blown my mind. It blows my mind right now. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that. There's a lot more goodness to the workload planner that we'll cover in future episodes. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the Pure Storage YouTube channel. Turn on notifications so you can be informed of future videos, and put your comments below. I want to know what you think about the workload planner. That's it for now, and we will see you on the next one.